guys, welcome to the Power BI DAX tutorial series. In this tutorial we will see the type of DAX function available into the Power BI DAX, and we'll see like what is the use of those functions in Power BI. So let's understand. So like the agenda of this tutorial is like we will see the type of the DAX function available in the Power BI. So these are the some functions available into the Power BI, and these are categorized like there are some functions that are date and time functions, and some are time intelligence function, some are information function, logical functions, mathematical and trigonometrical function, statistical function, text function, parent child function, table function, and other function. And as per the requirement we use the different type of the function, like as per our need for the visualization we use those kind of the functions. And every type of the function you are looking here, those have some different type of the functions available, and those have different type of the keyword, and those I have already noted into this URL. You can find this URL in my description section. So here like first type is date and time function, and under this date and time function you can see these functions is available like calendar, calendar auto, date different, and as per your requirement you can use any type of the function, and you can explore more once you come to this URL. Other is the time intelligence function, and under this there are so many function available, like the time intelligence function are used to evaluate value over a fixed period such as days, weeks, month, quarter, and year. Like if we have any field related to the like period, and if we want to do some operation over those kind of the fields, then we can go for the time intelligence function, and it contains so many things here. And apart from this we have information function, and information function is just like it is used to provide certain information on the data values contained in row and column, and it evaluates the given condition in a function for the value given as a true or return. So you can see here like the function which comes under this information function called contains, custom data, in operator, is blank, is error, is even. So these are the functions comes under the information function. And some function are logical function. Logical function is just like a expression when we do over the values, and it return true or false, like any operator, logical operator like and, if condition, not, or, switch case, true, while, all those comes under this logical function. And under this mathematical and trigonometrical function, like we have apps, and we have like ASEAN, ACOSH, and all these things comes under this mathematical. Another is the statistical function, and it take like average. We want to take the data as a average, then we can use as a statistical function, and there are so many like count a. So there are different type of the function available under this also. And another is a text function like blank, code, exact, find, fixed. So as per your requirement we can use any type of the function which is useful for the visualization basically. And another is the parent child function. So parent child function are used for the data value that are part of the parent child hierarchy. So those kind of the visualization we use the parent child function, and this contain this type of the functions here. And other function is basically like data table, error, accept, and intersect, group by. If we want kind of a function, then we can go for the other function. And other is the table function, like if we want to do some operation over the DAX formula, like are used to apply operation and condition on entire table, then we can go for the table function like filter all values. These are the some function available under this table function. So in the coming tutorial we will see all the type of the function, and that like every category contain different type of the function. We will use those, and we will see like different type of the function, how it is give the benefit to the visualization basically. And for your practice you can do all like you can play around all these function and can see like how it is reflecting over the visualization into the Power BI. So you can find this link in my description section for your help, and you can utilize all those things. Like it is used to create the column basically like a measure column or calculated column. Based on that we can create our column as well according to this expression. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.